right, friends, so we are in Southwest Detroit and we are doing a really cool salvage job. Pretty much we're at this warehouse that this artist owns. It's his studio and he has all of this really cool material salvage from an old church and just a whole bunch of miscellaneous. I honestly don't know what's in this pile of things that we're gonna be getting. So you're just gonna have to stay tuned to see what we're getting. But the building's sick and I can't wait to show you.
Sorry, you haul.
At least you're safe. You don't have to like jam on the.
Oh no! I don't know what's wrong with me, but every day this week I've been like super late for everything. They already started, so we should just go inside and see what's up. All right, so I just got inside. The space is so sick. Check this out. All right, so got my gloves. Just put my jacket because I thought it was gonna be colder out, but it's actually really, really nice. And then let's see what the team has started. Okay. All right. So they have it. Truck is empty. But what I do see are these super sick doors. Oh my goodness. These are pretty amazing. Whoa, and they're heavy. Seems like all the glass is missing out of them, which is completely okay. All right, let's see what else. Let's see what else they're doing. Oh my Lord.
Your wife can't drive it, Jake?
Yeah.
Oh Lord. Kyle, how was that? How you feeling?
So easy.
Famous last words. Lord.
Watch your toes, guys, too. There you go.
You're stuck at your hit.
Easy peasy.
There we go.
What's cardboard in the face?
Yeah, might as well.
There's one. Yeah. What was there, two more?
There's one more.
That's a lot.
Yeah. Wait till you see the finished product. It'll be worth it.
The perks of filming for YouTube. You don't have to help with that shit. But no, I have some things to do. So let me put this down for a sec.
From over in Midtown.
Oh, American Beauty?
American Beauty Ironworks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I had some stuff from there before. I remember you told me that before. Yeah.
Yep, that's where it came from.
That everything I had from there was really cool.
Yeah.
All right, let me give you guys a little rundown here. So we're gonna take these wooden trays. The drawers. This thing. There's a couple of these, and then the legs. And then we'll be able to, there'll be some other things too, like just do that and we can,
That's me.
Israel can start seeing what's here and we can all kind of figure out a little bit better, like
Yeah.
have some more space.
These can go. You can start passing these out if you want.
So I'm gonna start handing you a few of these.
I think so, yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah, just have some weights.
This is like one. You grab that side, I'll grab this. You set it on there. You grab that, grab this. And we'll just set her down. If you flip her over, that's kind of what she's gonna look like.
Cool. That'd be a cool, like, I don't know if you can sit at it, but it'd be a cool desk.
Yeah.
With, like, drawers on the side.
And I mean, sandblast it,
Yeah.
and it'll fucking look brand new.
Yeah.
I didn't want to tip over.
Here, Angel, do you want to grab this side? Oh yeah, it's not heavy at all.
Might be able to get 2 of these on that cart. Yeah. I don't know if it's heavy. Yeah, these are nice carts, man. I buy carts on, on eBay.
Yeah.
But I like the back drawer.
For them right there.
That's cool. I don't think you got the handiness that helps make them get reused.
Have you ever been to our shop? Keep taking it in there.
What this little dude?
Yeah, you start taking these out though.
Okay. Wow, look at all this space.
I asked them how quickly they're gonna fill it back up.
Depends on what we're doing.
Yeah, we'll get a lot more space for like larger sculptures now.
That's what we'd like to do is kind of get some of the stuff out of here and then have more sculptures here. Because we got a gallery over in Midtown, but we can't
really?
bring
Where
those big pieces over there.
Yeah, where's your gallery in Midtown?
If you leave Avalon and then you're driving towards 2nd, we live on that corner. And if you go to 3rd, right across the street, there's like a little red building and then a bigger blue one. Kind of like at 3rd, you'd run right into them.
Yeah.
The bigger blue one is ours. We got an owl and a raven, mural on it.
No, I've definitely
And a
got
sculpture
those, but-
park next door we're setting up.
Nice.
Oh, sweet.
And got a lot of dirt there. It's like the lot was like this tall full of dirt. And and it's toxic, so it's like we had to pay for remediation. But we're pulling it out, and it's coming along. We're gonna do some dynamic like elevation changes in the yard and put in a roll-up door. But this stuff won't fit over there on the inside. Grab one and boogie.
May work. Maybe for the island. Giant factory legs. Not fully the vibe. You didn't go to the gym today.
I don't know what's wrong with me. Where am I stacking this?
Just somewhere over there so the boys can grab them. Definitely the dogs go take a shit.
I mean, these are actually heavy. Like, these are not light.
Yeah, no. From that far to use.
Oh, hold on. That's how you're gonna hurt yourself.
I know.
She heard that.
Yeah.
And it wasn't coming any higher either.
This lighter, smaller.
I was getting over a cold, so I'm like, some kind of weak.
Bo's got a lot of excuses today.
Help me, I'm sick. I'm sick.
Yeah, if you can. Get as much of it in there as you can, please. Yeah, put what you can for the legs in there, and then we have to come back and pick up.
Good job.
It might get destroyed.
Yeah, no, when that's what's falling.
This whole door might get
Yeah, this door might not make it. Sorry, U-Haul.
At least you're safe. You don't have to like jam on the gas in order to door.
I'm driving local on the way out.
All right, so we're going to the warehouse, and we're about to unload. It's a lot of stuff, as you can see. So yeah, let's hope we can find homes for all
over
this
there
stuff.
where the lights.
You want to open one right now?
Well, let's bring it over there. We have the drill out.
The lighting's so great right now. Alright, we should open it.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright, who has a drill?
Well, that's it.
Fragile.
Fragile. Alright, you ready? Hold on, Kyle. We're doing two unveilings. Alright, let's see what's in here. Whoa. That is pretty cool. It's not crystal, it's plastic.
It's not like these.
Yeah, it is still kind of cool. Alright, so, did you look at these?
No, I haven't looked at any of it yet.
Ugh. From what I saw, they looked really sick. I honestly haven't had a chance to open this yet. But let's see. Like, these things are heavier than they seem. Look at that. How awesome is that? Yeah, this is the size.
All the same, but a little bit different.
Oh wow, look at this one, Kyle.
Oh yeah, that's pretty. Oh, that's like hand painted.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's like one of those things where I wish
It's
it
not
was.
even clean yet either. Once
I
you
wish
clean
it was square though, because what are we gonna do with this?
You make a frames for them.
Yeah. Or we just sell it. Sell it as is.
These are all the same.
Yeah.
There's different parts of it, so
Dope.
we keep these boxed up.
Yeah.
But very cool. I want to see the big one. Lay this down. I think it's this one.
All right, bro. Do the honors.
Oh. Oh no! No! We
I
don't.
have a couple hundred of these.
I was really hoping this was glass.
That was too.
Oh, that is such a disappointment.
Well, whatever. We got more. Might as well just put them away.
It's just so weird. It's like, why do we have so many?
Because there's like hundreds of them.
I do have a really cool idea. I want to make, well, 2 ideas. I think I want to make chandelier that's like long, so like cut them in half, and then like kind of like stagger them, so it's like gives off that brutalist vibes, but it just has like a lot of like multi-dimension. And then I think the same thing with a credenza. I don't know.
Credenza?
Yeah, but
like
just
an
make
entry
it like
table.
super, an entry table, make it super boxy and just like
The wood's actually really
have it like different like steps.
It's all really nice straight grain.
Yeah.
So whatever, more things to play with.
But if you have a church with a pipe organ and you're looking to get rid of this stuff, do not call us. We don't want it. We don't need it. Ugh. Okay. So all of these other pieces we got from another church. So if you want to see that salvage job, check out our last video. It was actually a pretty cool salvage job, but yeah, we didn't need any more. It's also kind of like funky that we have so many all at once.
I know, we never had them before, and now we have them all back to back.
Yeah, a back-to-back salvage jobs that has this.
Yeah. I mean, it is this part of the name of the business. You never know what you're gonna find. So,
Never know what you're gonna find. What is this? Do you think this is it too? Or is this glass?
That might be the one that was labeled stained glass.
Yo, if this is pipe organs, I'm pissed.
Yeah, that one's labeled stained glass.
Is this the side that?
I don't know.
Yeah, this goes on the floor. Oh yeah, I see it. It's stained glass, thank God. I think there's screws on the side. Yeah.
All right, what are we screwing?
And she's gone. All right.
I'll lift it up.
No, don't do that. Let's get this out first.
Here, pull the box out.
No, mine's like on top of it like this. It's like sandwiched in between.
Pull this away.
Yeah. Nice.
Decent.
Okay. I really wish we had more of these.
This is cool.
This
I like
is
that.
sick. This is like what you put on top of like a door entry.
Here, lift it up.
Oh my God, how do you want to go?
Try to see some light through it.
Yeah, that's nice. I love that.
Put it back in the box.
Yeah. All right, and that's a wrap. Favorite things from the salvage job would have to be the stained glass.
Really?
This one, not the other one. This one.
Mine's the big wall carvings, the panels, so the big railings. So I think we'll probably use those at Mac, but those are pretty awesome.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
The massive.
Oh, the long ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are cool. Yeah. All right. Well, there you have it. We have completed another really cool, successful salvage job. I was absolutely no help. Hey man, it's just like we can't all be winners. But yeah, stay tuned because we hopefully will be starting to design and build things out of some of the materials. Or we'll just be selling some of it. So
Like, subscribe.
like and subscribe. Bye.